exceeded 3.4 trillion US dollars until October 2024, which signifies a growing market for these products. For us in Pakistan, it is essential to tap some of these green compliant financing solutions and access the vast pool of available international capital. This is not just an opportunity for economic gains for our economy and financial sector. It is also a chance to align with global sustainability efforts and demonstrate our commitment to responsible banking. On the home front, there is a need to actively work on designing commercially feasible projects and explore retiring existing fossil fuel-based projects. The private sector will need to wholeheartedly come on board for the clean energy agenda. While undertaking capital expansion or new greenfield projects, the private businesses should also consider environmental sustainability concerns and plan accordingly. This will also allow it to potentially raise external financing from institutional investors looking to finance green projects. Ladies and gentlemen, I expect that insights gleaned from today's discussions on international case studies and product development opportunities in the local market can serve as a blueprint for our collective actions moving forward. I encourage all participating financial institutions to explore the diverse options available for developing and marketing green financial products. This includes not only green bonds, but also green loans and other instruments tailored to support sustainable projects. It is essential that we remain open to innovation and adaptive to the evolving financial landscape. While concluding, let me emphasize that by pooling resources and expertise, we can create a mutually beneficial framework for financing sustainable development initiatives. The successful implementation of these models and the resultant green investment will help in addressing the challenges of climate change and stimulating the sustainable economic growth and job creation. Let us embrace this opportunity to work together towards a sustainable financial future for our country and our planet. The steps we take today will shape the landscape of tomorrow, fostering resilience, sustainability, and inclusivity in our economy. Together, we can pave the way for a greener and more prosperous future for Pakistan. Thank you so much for your attention, please.